Most of you are already tired of getting your books briefed. That is why in this video I'm going to be showing you the tested proven method to self-publish your book as an author on Apple Books. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. I'm VALUEBANK, and all I do every day is to bring to you time-tested proven method and ways you can use to gain financial freedom here on the online space through vehicles like Amazon, KDP, sales and marketing, and content creation. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for liking my videos and supporting my channel. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I know with the way things are actually going with KDP, a lot of people are looking for options, other places to actually pitch their attempt at self-publishing author. That is why I'm actually making this video, to help you look for another net where you can actually make money online. You understand? And the option that you're actually doing is Apple Books. You understand? Apple Books. And one thing I actually want you to actually help me do is, I know a lot of people actually need this video, and to actually get this video to them, I want you to make sure you do me one favor. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and leave a comment. If you have any questions regarding the video, leave a comment in the comment box below, and make sure you share this video to groups, share them to your family and friends, and share them to people that actually needs them. Now, Apple Books is just like any other publishing platform. It's just like KDP, but there are some pros and cons when it comes to Apple Books. Now, Apple Books is actually owned by Apple. We all know Apple, the creators of iPhone. You understand? So it's owned by Apple. It's their own like publishing platform, just like Apple Books, just like Kobo, just like every other publishing platform out there. So that's what Apple Books actually does. So they sell books there. So, and you can actually, as a self-publishing author, you can actually go to Apple Books, upload your books, and you make a lot of royalties from Apple Books. So the first pros when it comes to Apple Books is a go-to place for Apple device users. That means people who actually use Apple device can easily access this, because it's owned by Apple. It is easy for them to actually relate with this section of Apple's business. You understand? And the other pro is this: Apple Book, just like Amazon KDP, it's free to publish on Apple Books. And the next pro is Apple Books actually pay 70% of royalties on your book when you actually upload your book on Apple Books, and your book make sales. You understand? For example, your book sells for $10 and you make sales, you are actually going to receive $7 of that money. You understand? But the con there is Apple Book actually has a smaller customer base, unlike Amazon KDP that actually has a very large customer base. You understand? So that is the pros and cons of Apple Books. So let's actually get into creating our channel, our accounts on Apple Books. So when it actually comes to Apple Books, this is actually going to be like a series of videos, because this video alone cannot explain how you like publish your book on Apple Books. So this will just be like how to create your account, fill your tax details, and make sure that your account is okay for publishing. So the first thing you will want to do is to make sure, the first thing to do is to make sure you go to authors.apple.com/publish. You understand? Just go to authors.apple.com/publish and just click on enter. Let's allow it to load. Okay, so when you actually click on that, it will take you to the website, right? So we are on the Apple publishing platform here. You can see publish from your device to devices everywhere. A book is nothing without readers when you are reader without to publish, you understand. So deliver your files and sell directly on Apple Books, you understand. So when you actually get to this point, all you need to do, if you don't have like an Apple ID, because you need an Apple ID for you to create your account on Apple publishing platform. So all you just need to do is to click on get started. If you are new to the platform and want to publish directly with Apple Books, first create your iTunes Connect account. So all you just need to do is to click on get started, you understand. So when you click on get started, it will actually take you to this point where you have to see sign up for free and get your books in front of millions of customers. So here is what you need: an Apple ID, direct rights to your book, authorization to sign documents on behalf of yourself or your company. So you see, the first step is to sign up for iTunes Connect. So all you need to do is make sure you create your an Apple ID. So you come to this point, you click on create a new Apple ID. So let's allow it to load. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, so it will actually take us to this point where you have to fill your details. You create your Apple ID. So the first thing you have to do is input your names and all your details. Okay, and make sure you fill just the way they are in your ID card. No, the next thing you do is to choose your country. Okay, for me, I'm a Nigerian, so I'll choose Nigeria. So you choose your birthday, your birth month, your birthday, okay, and your, okay. So this will be your Apple ID. What you just need to do is just input your email address in this place. Just input your email address. Okay, so you choose a password. Okay, you confirm your password. Okay, you choose your countries. Okay, so here is Nigeria, here is Nigeria. Okay, yeah, then just input your phone number. Okay, test, verify with text or phone call. Just choose anyone that will be convenient for you. Then you generate a code. I don't know why the code is not generating. Okay, so you just type this code that you are seeing here, type it on this field. Okay, and make sure that any details that you're actually using is correct and it corresponds with your ID card, any ID card that you will be using to actually receive your payment, you get. So you click on continue. So it will actually bring you to this point where you have to verify your email address to create your new Apple ID, you understand. So let's go to our email. Okay, so when you actually go to your email, you see Apple verify your email. Just open the mail. So all you need to do is take this and go and fill here. Okay, so let's see, 514706 154706 154706. Okay, so you click on continue. You click on continue, it will take you to this place where you have to verify your phone number, also the phone number that you actually be using to receive your OTP. So they will actually send a code to your phone. All you need to do is fill that code. You understand? Fill the code that has been sent to your phone and you click on continue. Okay, click on continue, then allow it to load. So, and you've actually gotten to this point. The next thing you want to do is to go to these payment methods. You see no payment method. You don't have any payment method set up for your media purchases and subscription. Just click on add payment method. Okay, and allow it to load. So this payment method will be used when you make purchases on Apple Store. So just click on debit or credit card. So you just input the card number. You put the date, you put the year, you put the security code, okay, you include your streets, okay, you put your city, so let me just pause the video and fill all these details. So after you feed all the details here, all you just need to do is click on update and it saves. Okay, your changes has been saved. No thanks, then you close. So once you've actually set up your credit card, you come back to this sign up page and you click on connect. So this is what you actually click on, sign up for iTunes Connect. So it will actually take you to this point. Okay, so you've already created your Apple ID. So all you need to do is then you click on that forward button. You click on that forward button after setting up your payment. So it will now take you to this point where you see your name, you see your ID. If you don't want to use this Apple ID to publish books, on Apple Books, create new one, you understand. So publisher type, you if you are not a company, just choose individual. Seller name is my seller name, Messiah Jonah. This is the name that will display on Apple Books, you understand. So you please read these terms and conditions. So read these terms and conditions so that you understand. Just like Amazon, Apple has their own wahala. Make sure you read these terms and conditions, then you just come to this place and check. Okay, and come and click on agree. Before you continue, make sure you selected the correct publisher type, individual, you understand. Then you continue. Voila, your a verification email has been sent to Jonah, to my email. So all I have to do is to go to my email now. Okay, so you see iTunes Connect, welcome to Apple Books. So your email application to offer on Apple Books has been approved. So just click on verify. If you are gaining value in this video, please just make sure you like this video so that people that actually need this video will actually get to see them. Okay, so you just input your password. Make sure you input your password, then it will just bring you to this point. Input your password, and you now get to this point where you have to the terms and agree to the terms and conditions. Just tick this and you click on agree. Okay, so you see that it is very easy to create your iTunes account. So the next thing to do is to set up your payments. So when you actually sign in, it will, and you get to this point, all you need to do is you will see this pop-up. Okay, to agreement, the next thing you will have to set up now is agree. You set up your tax and your banking. To begin selling content on Apple Books, you need to agree to the necessary agreement. After they've been accepted, you can enter your contact information, you understand. So you just click here. So let's just allow it to load. Okay, so you click on legal entity. So companies and educational institutions must provide a DUNX number registered to their legal entity. A DUN number is optional for government organization. Just click on is, as you can see, it's optional. Just click on next. Okay, so when you get to this point, you include your phone number. Just add your phone number there. Okay, then you click on done. So you set up your two-factor authentication required. A message will be sent to you, then just type the number here. It will verify after you've typed the number. I don't know why it's taking us back to this place. The address you submitted couldn't be verified. Review the address, edit if needed, and click OK. So just come to where you are actually seeing if it actually keeps popping up like this. You know the next one actually showed done, so just click on confirm to actually confirm. Just click on it and it will actually take you to the next page. So when you actually include the right address and you click and you confirm, it will just take you to this point. You get? Then all you need to do is to come to here where you have to agree, view your status. Just check this and you agree. Okay, you click on the other one. Let's just allow it to load up. So it will actually get you to this point where you have to click on this to submit new content to the app store, Apple Books or Apple Podcast. You need to let us know whether whether or not you are a trader. The Digital Service Act in the EU requires Apple to verify and display trader contact information for all traders who may distribute content in the EU. So just click on this. So let's just allow it to load up. So it will now take you to this point. To submit new content, it will take you to this point. So you click on this and you agree. Okay, let's let it load. So you actually get to this point where you have to fill you see to receive payment from Apple, you must add a bank account. To meet the requirement of your agreement and receive payment, you must submit a US tax information. So first of all, we need to add a bank account. So just click on add a bank account, bank, country, region. So you click on the country where your bank is. So if it's in the US, you look for United States. United States. Okay, and you click on next. So at this point you have to fill the account type. So I'll just pause the video and fill the account type, the bank currency. If it is United States, you understand, bank account currency US dollars. Okay, account name optional, account name, which is your name. On for my own it is Messiah Jonah. I just have to fill it here. Jonah. Then you fill the account type, checking, then fill the bank routing number here, you fill the account number here. Let me just pause and fill all that. After you filled it, you just click on next. Now this place you can fill the account details, can be for Nigerians or for Africans. If you have Gray, you have Pioneer, you have GitPay, you can just come and fill the account here. You get. So after you fill it, just click on next. So you'll be sent an email after you've actually filled the account. So you'll be sent a code to your phone. Just type the code out here. And it will verify. So you just add. Okay. Now after you've set up your account, the next thing is your tax form. So all you just need to do, you see missing tax info, just click on add here. Yes, I'm a US citizen, or you click on no, you are not a US citizen, then click on continue. Do you have any US business activities? In general, you have US business activity, you click on no, then you save. So yes, you can see missing tax info. Just click on here and say add tax info. So you come to this point and you check here. Just what you just need to do is write your name here. Okay, as a signature, then you submit. To meet the requirement of your agreement and receive payment, you must submit a US tax. As you can see, US certificate of foreign status active. Okay, so when you actually get to this point, this is where you actually fill your US form, W8 form. Okay, so you just come down, you see part 1 is part 1 to part 3, identification of beneficial owner. So your name will automatically show here, your country of address, any country you are will actually show here that you actually filled during your registration period. Your address will also show. So this is optional, this is optional, this is optional. Date of birth, you just have to include it there. Your part 2, you just check this income from sales of book, check it, just check it. So after you've checked, you come to the top here and you see submit, you submit. Okay, and you see that it's now active, it is now active. So after all this have been active, you see the status, you see this one is processing, this one is processing, this one is also processing. So after everything here will just show active. So when everything now is active, the last thing here will be this to solve this pop-up that you actually see here. You see, to submit new content to the App Store, Apple Books or Apple Podcasts, you need to let us know whether or not you are a trader. The Digital Service Act in the EU requires Apple to verify and display trader contact information for all traders who may distribute content in the EU. Complete compliance requirements. So all you need to do is just click on this place and tell them that you are not a trader. Just keep ticking the box that you are not a trader till you get to the point. So when you're actually done with that, then this also will be verified. You understand? So this is how to literally create an Apple Books account and start publishing on Apple Books. You understand? So it's as easy as that. So that is how to literally sign up for your Apple Books. If this video have actually been helpful to you, please make sure you actually leave a thumbs up, like this video so that other people actually see this video. Leave a comment on the comment section down below, and make sure you share this video to people so that more people actually get to see this video. And as always, I'm Value Bank and I am rooting for you from afar. God bless you. I will see you in my next video.